Hello and welcome to another demo of the paragraphs bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the paragraphs bundles module. And today we're talking about three bundles together because they are almost the same. It just use different contrib modules. So to follow with me, I installed already on my local demo site. And uh, as you know, you should have field group and paragraphs already installed. And let's talk about the three bundles we're going to talk about them today. So views, it reference any views blocks you create. You can insert any views inside the paragraph field. And to do that, you will need this module, views reference field. That's the first one. The second is that the contact form, that's the default contact form in Drupal. So if you want to reference it inside a paragraph field, you will use this module, contact formatter. You will need to install it. And the third one is the web form. Also same thing, if you want to reference web form inside the paragraph, you must download Webform module. So to start, I'm just gonna go and enable the three bundles. Each bundle by itself has its own. So you have to enable the three. One, two, so let's install. I ask to install the default. Structure, paragraph type. So the three are enabled. 1, 2, 3. This is the default. So to do that, I have a content type and it has a paragraph field inside it. Let's add here. So let's start by this one, the contact, and it's just like your reference, and that's what it is. And save, and there is the contact inside it. Let's add another field, views. So what is the default views we have? Any blocks? I guess recent content. And this one, then you check and save, and recent content there is. And we add the third one. I think it has an example too. So here it is. And save the tree. So it's very straightforward. If you'd like to know more about them, you could go paragraph types and click, and for each field type. That's the only difference between the three bundles. The field type reference different component or entity. So if I go here to content, and as usual, what's so special about these? The customization. So What do you get out of each bundle from customization? So if you want to add color or something, or for each one, you have its own customization. Each bundle has its own. Just picking anything. All these, let's pick lots of things for this one. Shadow 600. Border color. Save. So you get more the idea of what you can do. Customizing the look for each one. And that's the 3 bundles. I hope you liked the demo. See you in the next one.